Hey everybody, today I wanted to do just a quick video about something funny that happened yesterday to me at a car wash in my EV6. And I just want to do a quick PSA because I haven't really seen people talking about this, but even though it was funny, you definitely don't want to have this happen at a car wash. So I've had my new EV6 GT for almost 4 months now, and I still hadn't washed it, which, side note, I'm really happy with this pearl white that is on the EV6 GT. It looks great even after 4 months of not being washed, but obviously I want to have the car washed. So yesterday I had some time, and me and my son went to this local car wash, and it's the kind of car wash that you pull in and then you stop, and then the car wash goes around the car. And it has good reviews, and I was like, yeah, this will be good to do. So we go to the car wash, pay, we pull in, it tells us to stop, we stop, I put the car in park, and the car wash starts going around the car. But after just a few seconds, I noticed the car was saying the door was open, and then it was saying that all the doors were open. And I was like, why is it saying the doors were open? And then I realized that the EV6, when you put the car in park, I have it set to where it automatically unlocks the doors. And the EV6 GT, the EV6 GT line, other EVs out there I know have the door handles that automatically present, so they open up a little bit to make it easier to open. Well, by putting the car in park, I made it so my door handles do that, and as the thing is spinning around against the car, I guess it opened the doors slightly. So my son and I were frantically in the car trying to pull the doors shut. I'm reaching across trying to close the passenger door, my daughter's door in the back, my son is holding on to his door real tight, and we couldn't really get the doors to be latched fully, which means that you can't lock the doors because the doors won't lock if a door is open. So we're just sitting in the car wash while the car is sitting here with the doors open slightly, trying to get the doors to be closed and make sure no water's coming in. Because, I mean, in all reality, if I hadn't noticed that, as the things are going around, I could see it opening the doors slightly and getting water in, which obviously is not ideal to have happen. You don't want to be sitting in a car wash and have the interior of your car getting washed. But it was quite funny. My son and I were laughing about it. He was kind of stressing a little bit, but I just let him hang on to his door while I took care of the other three. But I just wanted to make people aware of this because I haven't seen anybody talk about this before. But I could see this being a real issue, especially if it's somebody who can't really reach the other doors very easily. I'm pretty tall, so I can lean across the car and reach them and pull them to at least do that initial latch, even if it's not fully latched. That way they don't open back up. But I don't want anybody to be sitting in the car wash and have their doors open up and get sprayed everywhere because that'd be horrible. So anyway, like I said, I just want to make you guys aware of this. Let other EV6 owners and other people who have vehicles that have the auto presenting door handles know that this is something that could happen. Keep an eye on it, pay attention. I know for me, at this style car wash, I am not gonna put the car in park, or if I do, I'm gonna put it in park and immediately hit the lock button on the door so that the door handles come back in, just to be safe, because like I said, definitely don't wanna have the doors open in the middle of the car wash. So anyway, I hope this video is helpful for you guys. I hope maybe it brought you some amusement as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.